Because to what I read in the newspapers, in, maybe in some internet, they are saying the treatment was not good. I've got a lot of respect for Dr. Ivan. Our TV in Congo is not the same equipment like in South Africa. You are rebuilding our country because Congo was so down. It's a very rich country, was so down because of the infrastructure. You know, the time I came here to play Orlando Pirates, the regulation, you didn't allow us to enter with our cameras even inside the stadium. This is the CAF regulation. It's not Mazembe regulation. In our satellite dish remains at Lanseria because you're supposed to clear through the custom and the authority in South Africa. They can show you a receipt where they booked for the satellite. You can print that in your newspaper to say the chairman of Mazembe was lying. So they came even with the satellite. You didn't even check their luggage because custom allowed them to clear. They entered illegally with the dish, the satellite suitcase, which was illegal to take in the country. The time they didn't declare to the custom, the time in the country they didn't come with their equipment, because if they came with their equipment, you're supposed to ask to the Minister of Broadcasting to have permission. So they arrived on Saturday, and the bus, you can go on YouTube. Yes. The bus was waiting for them because they said there was no bus. The bus was there, straight to the hotel. I gave them my car, the SABC crew, the governor car, and I called the guy from the custom to apologize, to say, listen, there is a problem. Our friend said, no, these things they have to get seized. I said, no. For a good relationship, they didn't know the regulation. And my driver, in front of the Consul General, SABC guys, to ask them if they have been beaten. In front of even they have been arrested. In front of the Consul General, the guy didn't have anything to say.
That's a South African Consul General.
Consul General, South African Consul General. After the game, they left, they went to the hotel and they traveled. They didn't ask for the DVD. So that's why I brought them today to show the game. And we are going to see people who judge. Orlando Pirates went to Ago twice. On all the game, they went to Ago twice. Lucky enough, they had a very good goalkeeper, which I congratulate them. I asked them, because one guy said, no, they have stolen his phone.
This is phone.
The guy from SABC. Now, himself on explaining, said, no. They just take out my SIM card and give me back my phone. They say we had been arrested by the security guy who removed the SIM card. The security maybe was doing just his job. Maybe I don't know what happened. And you know the security on the police people, even in South Africa. There is some police guys which support Orlando Pirates. There is some police guy which supports Chiefs, Sundown. Even in Congo it's the same. There is some police guy who support Mazembe. Maybe he can overdo his job. It's just one situation. The time you arrive here, my team and myself, you are arrested from after the game until midnight.
They wasn't allowed to leave the stadium.
To leave because they say somebody beat on the police and on the soldier. I called Mr. Karusha Bwalia because he's a CAF member to ask him, please, can you tell these people to release us? And we were released. The time we went to go inside with my wife with the iPad, they say, no, you should leave the iPad. And you came back, you leave the SIM card because you know the iPad. On the end, this police with the iPad disappeared. I didn't get back the iPad. And one of my son, he came with the camera, small camera. They refused him to enter with the camera. You know what the security they did? They break the camera down. You didn't complain all those things because I know the regulation. Nobody can go with the camera inside. The people who have the right to broadcast is SABC, and you have to be professional. You can't make the law in South Africa, in soccer, and different law in Congo. But South Africa people, they are good people. Congolese people, you are just one. I want them to show us where the things went wrong. Because after the game, we upload for the Orlando Pirates. You are going to see on the footage. They won. They are like to win, and we wish them good luck. And some people, they say, no, they upload because the ref gave them the chance to win the game. That's why they say they failed. No. Even if you lose the game, on the end, our supporters always Barcelona,
Yes.
they lost the game, their supporter on there congratulated Real de Madrid. This is the fair play. The red card was not on the 5th minute, it was on the 35 minutes. And they said the outcome was not good. There is a commissioner. In every game, there is a commissioner sent by CAF. Before the game, there is a technical meeting. The first thing, the commissioner goes to the visiting team, visit if everything is well. And they ask them question by the commissioner. Are you guys happy? There is something to complain? You are, both the people was in the technical meeting, Orlando Pirates say, no, brotherhood, welcome. Now you are surprised. They say something to the commissioner. After arriving in South Africa,
they say
a different story. There is good relationship between the two countries and the two presidents. And South African people and Congolese people are very good people. And you can't spoil this because of, I traveled myself after I saw on the news in South Africa, after I read on the internet. Nobody sent me to come and explain and to call the meeting. I came to clear our name. Dr. Koza is my big brother, he was not there. And I'll make time to meet him. If there is something really which we didn't control ourselves, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, I think everything, in any organization, there is always some time.
You can't be 100%.
I'm saying sorry for that. Because myself in South Africa, I'm a supporter of Orlando Pirates. So I gave Musasa.
Yes.
Musasa. Mwamba Musasa to Orlando Pirates. Free of charge. I gave Mayala free of charge. I gave Chamala free of charge to Orlando Pirates.